Hey, I'm gonna get food coloring. So today we're gonna get science experiment today. Now I'm gonna open the box and add 1 drop of green food coloring. Okay, there we go. Now I'm gonna get another food coloring, which is what we use. Is what I don't know what that is. Okay. When I added the food colorings, I added a toothpick with dish soap, the dish soap with toothpick in it in the middle deeply, and then the food coloring pushed back from the milk. It like when I added the dish soap, I don't know how that worked. I was like, whoa, that was so cool. So that's why I stopped the recording there, I think. Okay. Now I need to get the dish soap on top of the toothpick. Okay, now. That's how it started. It looks like you have to add 4 food coloring. Blue, green, red, yellow. And, oh, it's yellow. And then you have to get a toothpick with dish soap, deeply put it in softly. Then there you go. It's like that. And then the food coloring pushes back from the milk. And there you go. That's how it works. I'm just gonna show you how I did that in video. Hold on. Hold on. Okay, I've got the toothpick with dish soap. Now, and we slowly gonna dip it in. Boom! Look at that. It pushed back. And yeah.